Bicycle twisting crunch. Are you racing through these, flapping your elbows and yanking your neck? Speed feels productive, but momentum steals the work and your obliques barely fire. The fix. Keep your fingertips light behind your ears, never lace and pull. Rotate from your ribcage, driving your shoulder toward the opposite knee, not your elbow. Fully extend your straight leg and press your lower back into the floor. Exhale and pause at each twist, then switch sides slowly. Download Proof of Lift and track every set, free. Save this and follow for a form fix every day. Link in bio. Obliques are carved by rotation, not repetition. Slow the twist and every rep finally counts.